Look at the structures, bridges, flyovers, industries, ports, sky-rising buildings. These are the necessities in 21st century, and sky is limit to this. These rapid infrastructural development require rapid industrialization, mining, natural water flow diversion, groundwater sourcing, rehabilitation of community, and rapid deforestation. This also result in air pollution, water logging, groundwater depletion, natural calamities that is storms, cyclones, and generation of solid hazardous wastes. Ultimately, these are disturbing the ecological balance. Keeping all these challenges in view, Vision Tech was founded with the objective to go ahead with the infrastructural development and at the same time to strive for protecting the environment to the extent possible so as to restore ecological balance. Vision Tech Consultancy Services Private Limited is an environmental engineering consultancy cell established at Bhubaneswar in 2001. Since then, it has been providing extensive and in-depth consultancy services in various environmental and engineering fields. The conceptual planning and preliminary investigation resulted in detailed engineering design and helped in development of healthy track records in the field of environmental and engineering services. Local knowledge coupled with national and international experience of proven technical know-how and a strong commitment from our team of experts enable Vision Tech to assist in solving the client's environmental and engineering problems successfully by first analyzing, then visualizing, then finally utilizing its dedicated and technically strong skills. Vision Tech provides a comprehensive range of services to government, public and private sectors to identify and manage the natural and regulatory environment effectively. This has helped us to live within our environmental, economical and social limit as well as prepare to face the challenges due to rapid industrialization and abrupt changes in climatic conditions. Our consultancy services include on infrastructure development, water resources and agriculture development, industrial and mining development, environment protection, testing and analysis, public health engineering that consists of effluent treatment plant and waste treatment plant, hazardous waste management, solid waste management, and drinking water supply. Certification and awards: QCI NABERD as A grade consultant, ISO 9001:2008, OSAS 18001:2007. Laboratory is recognized by Ministry of Environment and Forest and different state pollution control board. Material testing laboratory is certified by different state government. Certified for geotechnical exploration by different state government. Empaneled by OSAC for GIS, land use, remote sensing and central survey mapping. Rated as AC2A by NSIC CRISIL. Vision Tech has its head office located at Bhubaneswar with staff strength over 150. Our branch offices at New Delhi, Pune, Ranchi and Asansol are connected to head office via internet lease line connection. Other facilities include web-based document management system for data sharing, well-planned e-library for effective knowledge management, in-house laboratories to facilitate material testing, soil analysis, environmental monitoring and testing, and efficient workflow management system for smooth operation of business.
Vision Tech Consultancy Services has grown from a young organization to a key players in the detailed design engineering and environmental protection field. Large quantum of success of the last few years is due to dedication of our staffs. Vision Tech is now prepared to take any upcoming challenge by newly entering into an international presence. In the end, I really appreciate by the support of our valued clients, Vision Tech will continue to deliver a high quality of designs and environmental solutions which will cater the needs of our clients in international arena. Thank you.
Over the period of time, Vision Tech has entered into multi-sector projects like planning solution for greenfield projects, mine planning and designing, infrastructure, road and bridges, along with public health engineering, water resource management, agricultural development, environmental impact assessment and environmental management for any new and expansion project, coastal regulatory zone planning, diversion of forest land for non-forest activity along with plantation and compensatory afforestation, geotechnical investigation, topographical survey, design and construction engineering and project management, preparation of due diligence reports. It is the sheer diversity of work that made Vision Tech an iconic organization. Vision Tech has different departments for timely delivery of qualitative outputs. Business development. Qualified employees are engaged for liaising, marketing and business development. Human resource. Young and experienced professionals are imparting qualitative development program in their field for better communication, punctuality and motivation to build up a better work culture. Finance and accounts. A chartered group has been entrusted to look after directly the day-to-day activities relating to accounts and finance of the company. Infrastructure engineering. Qualified engineers are associated with water resource management, irrigation, transportation, design and drawings, and preparation of pre-feasibility report and detailed project report. Infrastructure lab. This infrastructure laboratory is recognized by various state governments. This is equipped with latest state-of-the-art equipment for analysis of soil, water and material and operated by skilled professionals. Environmental services. Mostly young, energetic scientists and engineers guided by a group of senior professionals of various disciplines assess the environmental impact and suggest appropriate mitigation measures required to be adopted for different industry and mining projects. Environment and Chemical Lab. The Environment Laboratory is recognized by Ministry of Environment and Forest Government of India. The Chemical Laboratory is under scrutiny of NABL accreditation. Professionally qualified and experienced scientists are associated with the chemical lab so as to provide qualitative output to the industries and also for environmental management through effective monitoring and control. waste management. An important wing of Vision Tech which deals with analysis, monitoring and management of ETP, STP, hazardous waste and lake management. Information technology. An essential wing of Vision Tech which deals with in-house software development, GIS mapping, DGPS demarcation and also provides the web-enabled client information with secure layer of communication. Vision Tech is prepared to take any upcoming challenges in establishing its Envision international presence. Vision Tech is on the verge of entering into new markets with the same enthusiasm and spirit and will strive hard to enhance quality with adequate thrust on mining, environment, energy conservation and sustainability. At this juncture, we solicit for the continuous patronage of our valued clients. Only with their support, Vision Tech will continue to deliver the high quality services to meet clients' expectations.